I wanted to talk today about expansion and contraction of a piece of wood. And I have this sample that we did back in the 2000s. All right, for 1 year, we took this piece of wood, which was glued together out of 5 narrower pieces, glued together. And throughout the year, we live in the Northeast, we're in Massachusetts. So throughout the year, we have quite a bit of different changes in weather and moisture content in the air. In the winter, it's drier. In the summer, it's pretty humid around here. So we just took this piece of wood, and you can see here that we started April 12th in 2000, and this piece was 17.5 inches wide. We measured across the width of the board. A piece of wood is going to expand and contract across the width of the board much more than the length. Length is going to probably not be affected at all, but the widths are. Like when you have a door in your house in the summertime, it may be a little bit sticky, might be hard. In the wintertime, it opens perfectly freely because the moisture content is less. And we wanted to test that out. So if you look here, maybe down here in, let's go to December. In December, so it started out at 17.5 inches wide, you can see. And then when we get down here to December 8th in 2000, this board was 17 5/16 wide. So it shrunk significantly. And if we go all the way to August, it went up to 17 3/4 from 17.5. So from April to August, this piece of wood expanded 1/4 of an inch, and almost another 1/4 of an inch. It went to 17 5/16 from April to December. But if you look here from August to December, it went almost a full 1/2 inch. A full 1/2 inch for this piece of wood. Now this piece of wood is unfinished, so it's going to expand and contract more than a finished piece. So that's one of the reasons why maybe your doors in your house don't expand and contract a 1/2 inch. That would be terrible. That would be pretty tough to deal with. But with finish over this, which is something that I've been thinking about doing, maybe spraying a few coats of lacquer and doing the same test for another year and seeing exactly how much that would expand and contract and how much the finish helps that from happening. If you guys have any comments, leave them down below and let me know any experience you have with this. All right, and that, although it's not really a tip of the day, it's interesting fact of the day.